Hello YouTube, Dion from Tech with the unboxing of a quite peculiar product by LogiLink. This is an antimicrobial mousepad, so you can avoid pathogen on the mousepad area. This is an AEGIS protection layer on top of it to avoid micro-multiplying on top of the surface. Here we have the specification of this product in various languages. Now let's open this packaging and check this unique and I will dare to say niche product. If you would ask me some years before 2019, I would say that this could be found in a lab, but nowadays I'm still wondering why more companies don't have products like that. And another thing is that this is not really expensive. So let's check it out and see the protective layer and the mousepad itself. Now there are some stains here from before, but this is washable. You can just clean it like that. This is a rough surface and the logo here seems to be an issue. I would like no logo here. Now on the back side we have the typical rubber grip. Overall this is great. The layer will help with sweaty hands, so you won't have any unpleasant odors. And on the plus side, this is durable to stains, it is washable and low cost. So this was the unboxing of the LogiLink Anti-microbial Mousepad. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from Tech, thank you for watching.